Hi, Ben. Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, Federica, and you?
I'm good. I'm good as well. Thank you very much for joining me today. So we are here because we have to celebrate. You hit two targets on your Fund Trader Program account, right?
Yes.
That's good. That's very good. So why don't you tell us a little bit about your story, your background as a trader, and we can take it from there.
Okay. Uh, I've been in the trading industry since 8 years now,
Mhm.
and it wasn't been easy because I've struggled enough. Before that, I've been trading my own account
Mm.
with brokers, and that doesn't goes well. After that, I tried with prop firms. In one, I really got paid with them in 2021.
Mhm.
And after that, they closed.
Mm.
Mm, and that was mentally, that was not good for me. After that, I tried another prop firms. I passed their challenge, and even I made profit on the account. It was a 1,000 1,000K account,
Mm.
and they refused to pay me.
Wow.
That was also not good for me. And in 2023, I decided to stop with prop firms, to come back to my account with broker. And with the small account, it was not easy for me. And after that, I tried Audacity in 2023,
Mm.
if I remember. I was looking for a company which was there for a long time. That's what I was looking for because uh, nowadays there are a lot of prop firms. So I was looking for something serious, and I tried with
The
the
old version
old
of the Fund Trader Program.
it was not the funded program, it was the ability one,
Ah, the
where
ability. Okay.
where the yeah, where the first target was 10% and the second one was also 10%. And I
Okay.
passed the first target, and I remember we had a
Mm-hmm.
WhatsApp call with you. It's because I passed that one with just a single trade. It was on a
No
pound yen, I
consistency.
remember. Yes, yes, and we had a 15 minute call. After that, I got my second account for the verification. Uh, Badly, I failed that one.
Mm. And
So
then
I
you
take
decided to go
time.
for the other program, the FTP.
Uh, it took me times.
Mm.
Uh, 1 year.
Mm.
1 year. I was just, I was so, as lost in what to do now.
I
So I came back in the beginning of the year. I decided to go slowly, to start with the funded program and to start from the beginning.
Very good.
So by far, it's going well until now.
Well, I think it was a good decision. Now you're slowly building up your capital. You started from 7.5 and then you went to the
Mm.
15,000 and now you are on the $30,000. How is it going on this new account now?
Uh, by far well, because you know, before the mistake I was making was to have that expectation
Mm.
to have money to to live the best life,
Of course.
uh, that was not good. So I came back to to redefine the objective. So now I'm taking it slowly, and my goals is to, if it can take 1 month, even 2 months, it's not a problem for me. I'm going slowly for that, and I think that is one of the reasons I can say it's going well.
That's good.
Taking it slowly,
Actually,
slowly, slowly.
you are right. It is something that I can see a lot of traders, especially in early stages, they constantly fight with them. And I think this is because from one side, I don't want to blame the social media. I don't want to, I'm not that old that I'm going to do that. I'm going to play that card. No, but what is shown sometimes is that it's easy, and that through trading you can get rich overnight. It's very instant,
Yeah.
it's fast,
Mm-hmm.
and the reality of the fact is that you can have a good trade that can bring you a lot of money. It's true. It
Mm-hmm.
can happen. The problem comes with the consistency, because once
Yes.
you have tasted that you can get to that stage, you have
Mm-hmm.
the wrong expectation that something like that can happen on a daily basis.
Exactly.
Losses are part of the games and of the game, and I think traders nowadays should realize that in order for you to be a trader, it doesn't mean that you need to place a trade every single day. Sometimes
Exactly.
you just need to stay still, you analyze the market, and you need to wait for the market to come to you and to your setup, not chasing the
Exactly.
market, because
Exactly.
this urgency of making profits, this urgency of reaching certain targets and certain standard can actually sometimes can let you misjudge some trading opportunities. So
Exactly.
I completely relate, and I understand. Unfortunately, this is something that for to master the consistency and the patience, it takes time. So traders will need to go through those steps along the line. Basically, that's really it.
Exactly. And I find myself when I'm a lot of time in front of computer, I made a lot of mistakes too. So that's for me. That's for me. Reason why most of the time I'm in front of computer because I'm in IT working for me
Mm.
internet service provider. So I'm in front of computer, but opening the chat every time, I made a lot of mistakes. So
Mhm.
that's why to discipline myself, and it's not easy. It's not easy to discipline. I think discipline is the most hardest part in the game because sometimes you know exactly where the market will go, but when you eat at the trade, it's the point, and it's not easy. You have to be patient. You have to wait, as you said. You have to wait until the market comes to analyze, and it's a game. A game. It takes time to have that kind of patience.
And tell me something, Ben. Over the last 8 years, where you mentioned that you were trading your personal funds, and then you were trading with different props, and now you are trading on our funded trader program. Has your strategy changed? And if yes, how did that change? And what is your strategy now?
Okay. At the beginning, it's the first one. I was trying to trade with Ishimoku. It was Ishimoku.
Ichimoku bands,
That,
yeah.
that's the first thing I learned in the market. And after that, it doesn't work
Mhm.
for me. It
Okay,
works for other
of
people, but
course.
for me, it doesn't. And I stopped that one. And after that, I was looking to train myself. And as you know, in YouTube, there are a lot of people, uh, the gurus of the market. And I spent a lot of money on that. And didn't, I was not comfortable, but because everything they were, I was learning was not help me to really make money in the market. And at 2021, that's where I found a guy. For me, maybe that's for me. It's the best one, a best teacher, and it was really, really, really. It cost me 2,050 $100 his course. It was a lifetime course. It's not something you paid, and after 1 or 2 months you are not in the group. It's something you paid one time, and you'll be trained lifetime. And his trust. Uh, before that part, I found also something called mm, uh, Elliott waves. Yeah, I tried that one also. Elliott wave. That 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves. That
Yeah.
also doesn't work for me. But the guy come with a strategy. He called that wave trading.
Mm-hmm.
So it's something for him. He said that the market always doesn't make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sometimes it's 1, 2, 3. And the point is to master, to identify that correction path and to pick up the next move. So, and it's not easy, as we said, because, all there is that problem of time frame. A correction in 15 minutes in a 4 hour chart, that correction can be just a single candle.
Of
See,
course.
so the problem is to identify that correction in every time frame and to come down in 15 minutes to try to take the trade in that 15 minutes. So I think that works for me.
I
That's the
see.
strategy I'm using right now, the wave trading,
The
to
waves.
identify the correction and to try to pick the next move.
So you would say that this wave strategy is, we can call it a trend following strategy. You are waiting for the correction and then you are
Mhm.
trading, within the main
The
trend.
next move.
I
Exactly,
see, I see.
exactly.
With the top-down analysis as well, because you were mentioning some time frame. So you start from a higher time frame and then to refine, I'm assuming your stop loss, take profit, you go down to the 15 minutes.
Exactly. Generally, you start with 4 hour
Mm-hmm.
because in with the funded program, generally you trade just you do not hold the trade overnight. You can, but
Mm.
it's not make sense. You trade
Mm-hmm.
just in days, so you try to look at 4 hours to come to 1 hour, and after that you can trade in 15 minutes. And the strategy, the thing that works for me is when the price is not going your way, you can cut the trade. You are not just there to wait until it goes to your stop loss. But when you see my account, most of the time, my in one trade, I lose not it's uh, maximum 1%,
I
maximum
see.
1%,
I see. That's the golden
maximum one
rule. That's
percent.
very good.
Yeah, yeah. So that also helped me to have a good mother, a peace of mind, because when you are in negative, it's not good for your peace of mind. So
Of
that
course.
one works for me
So you are trading as an intraday trader, we can say. You close your position for the night.
most of the time.
Okay. And tell me something. Did you find this strategy to work better on certain assets, or you trade, anything that you see?
Most of Personally, I trade the majors and
Hmm.
some yen and Europeans.
Okay.
But sometimes I try to apply that on gold, something like that, but not in my funded program
Mm,
account, on other account, my personal accounts.
I see.
But you know, the funded program has all his own rules. You cannot lose 5%, but in my own account, I can do that. So. in the funded program, I try to stick with the majors and some yen pairs, and it works for me.
That's interesting, actually. So you
Mhm.
are working also on your personal funded, your personal account you have with
Yes.
your own funds and all of that. So there is a change between, the way you approach the market between your account that you have with us and your personal account. You are a little bit more aggressive with your accounts.
We can say that because on my account I can lose 5% a day is not a big deal. But in a funded program, when you lose 5%, it's a big deal. You
It
lose that
is,
part.
uh,
So
it
in the
is.
funded program account, I have that discipline. When I'm down 1% a day, I stop trading. I
Mm,
stop trading. The guy was just, the goal is not to make the first goal before making money is to keep the account. You have
of
to keep
course.
the account, and you'll make money. If you do not make money today, tomorrow will be also a day. So we do not to rush. That's
Of
the term we
course.
use.
Live to trade
Rushing.
another day. 100%.
Yes.
100%.
And
But
one day a guy said, sometimes no trade is a good trade.
exactly. Sometimes the best trade is the one that you don't
Ah,
take.
exactly.
100%. 100%.
Mm.
Ben, only if you feel like sharing that, because I know it's your personal account, but just because we were talking about that, and we said that you have a different risk approach to the two accounts. Um, your funded trader program account with us, we can say that you are consistently profitable on that, and then you are growing, you are consistently improving on that account and increasing the size of your account. Can I ask
Mhm.
the performances that you are having on your personal account?
Uh, you know, personal accounts, uh, the performance like, is not better because
Mm,
sometimes you lose 10%,
I
and
see.
after that you have to recover that 10%.
Mm,
And let's say we have 5K accounts. You you can make 10% or 20% on that account. It's not a big deal. But the good with the funded program, with 7.5 accounts, when you have 10%, you double the account,
mm,
and it's the big difference. And that's the reason why I, 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 I've choose the funded program
mm.
account to help me doubling the
The
account. I
scalability.
should back, yes. So certainly in my personal account, I'm just uh, it's not a big deal, not a big deal, because nobody's there to tell me no, do not do this. No, I can lose 10%, and and another day recover that 10%. After that, lose 10%, recover that. So you are just in that the middle of the nothing.
But, and I don't want to tell you what to do on your personal account, but if you allow me to suggest, perhaps
Mhm.
to, you know, come up with a risk approach on your personal account that is closer, if not the same, it's closer to what you're doing on your funded trader program account, because over there you're doing well. And,
Mhm.
steady and constant growth is actually something that if you managed to achieve within your funded trader program, it's something that you can achieve also on your personal account. So perhaps it's worth giving it a thought.
It's in the plan, but just when I'll have 20K,
Mm.
uh, 20K on my personal account. So that's the next year because with the three K accounts, can do.
Slowly,
It's not
Ben.
enough
We
for me.
said
Mm,
earlier, you need to be patient. You're gonna get there. You're gonna
mm,
get there.
mm. Yeah,
So tell
yeah.
me something. At the moment, you're saying you were saying that you're working as a IT specialist, right? So you are working full time and you're trading on a side. Long-term view, do you see yourself as a full-time trader, or you want to keep, having trading as a side income? What's the plan?
Uh, I've been in this for a long time, and I've invested myself and time on this. I said with my friends, there's no way to come back in trading. So with Audacity, I'm until now I'm happy with what is going on. And I was looking on dashboard to see if there is someone who has the maximum allocated account,
Hmm.
and I didn't
I know.
find that one. So my goal, my goal is to be the first one to be in the dashboard to have the maximum allocation. So when I'll have that maximum allocation, uh, we'll try to decide if to continue
Mm,
to have trading with just a or just trading or to continue also with that IT stuff. But
I
I can
see. I
say
see.
if I should choose right now, I should go for trading, but not with that amount of account. So if you can just wait for me a max allocated account right now, I should leave my IT job and to be
Makes sense.
employed the full time.
Of course, 100%. Ben, I want a piece of advice from you to all the traders that are, watching your interview. What would you recommend? What would you suggest? 8 years of
uh,
experience is a long one, so I'm sure you have some suggestions.
uh, you know, it takes for everyone who should try to go for trading. The first thing to know is it takes time. One day a guy says trading is the hardest way to make easy money, and that's talk a lot of to me. So if you are just going for trading to make money to have that best life, you'll end up badly. You'll end up badly. So it takes time, not 1 month, not 6 months, not 1 year. No, no, it will take you more than that. So my advice is just first invest in the knowledge. That's very important. Invest in the knowledge, and after that, um, before going even for the prop firms, to try not on demo account because demo accounts you do not have that matter. You can lose money, but it's not your money. Try to put if you can even 50, $100 in your own account. Lose
Hmm.
that money. Try to not lose that money. If you can keep that money, you are okay. So you are okay for the goal. But it take time, be patient, and after 3, 5, it will go. It will go. Okay.
Fair enough. Ben, thank you very much for joining me today and for sharing your story. I hope I can see you again, maybe on the next target, or once you reach the 6 figures, maybe we can have a new interview, okay?
Let's have each of you on December when I'll have the maximum allocate.
I'm here. I will be waiting for that moment, okay?
That's the plan. It's on my database. December, the max allocation.
Fair enough. Thank you very much, Ben. Have a good day ahead and best of luck with your trading.
Thank you, Federica.
Bye.
Bye.